5.7 sound better than the Scatty packs. I ain't gonna cap.
No cap.
This bitch screaming. Yeah, boy, this bit hard. This bit hard. That shit so fire. Them downshifts, boy, y'all hear them bitches.
I'm using my paddles the whole way home, bro. I swear to God.
You fuck with that shit?
That shit sounds
You for
so
real
good.
ain't never did that shit?
Never, bro. I kind of like you. It's kind of common sense, like you know when to shift and shit. But
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. Like I just be scared I'm gonna fuck some shit up for
But
real.
you like how it's like,
That shit. Yeah, that shit sounds so good.
Yeah. It sound like you got long tubes on that bit.
Let's see if I can spin that bit.
Yeah. 5.7 sound better, bro. It's screaming through here, bro.
Spin that bit right quick. Let me see what you got.